Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary Christians. You know me as the van guy, serving this store since 1981. And we still have inventory. It's going away quick. And we just got in 2019 Coachmen Crossfit. Yeah, I know now they're called Beyond, but back then they were called Crossfit. And I want to take you through the van, show you around. But most importantly, you need to write this down, 541-554-9581. For any questions, or certainly to call in and put your down payment, so one of these could be yours. Looking on the inside of this CrossFit, we're going to start at the rear of the coach today. It's got a nice pull-down screen. And take note, the marine vinyl that's throughout the unit, it's very durable. Hey, let's face it, if they put it on boats, being inside your van is going to be a cakewalk. You've got an electric couch in the back, 2 forward-facing seats with seat belts. You push the button, the couch folds down, makes a twin bed, or then you can take the support tables, fill in the center, and slide it out and make a queen-size bed. On both sides of this unit, you've got big windows, and they both open up for ventilation. Both have a privacy screen as well as a bug screen, and you can flip them up and down, either use them in unison or separately. Moving down the driver's side, you have a very efficient refrigerator freezer. It's a compressor style, which means you don't have to quite have it as level as a propane one. And then just behind that is a nice storage area, TV, entertainment center, and then you've got your light switches in the back bedroom area as well, so you don't have to go back up front. In front of the refrigerator, you're going to see a nice bathroom area, and you'll take notice that there's very few seams in their bathroom. It's seamless. And what does that mean for you? That means you have less maintenance down the road to try to make sure that those seams don't leak. Right in front of that, of course, is the driver's seat. Ford EcoBoost 6-cylinder. This is a 1-ton dually. You've got a navigation screen, your backup camera, your passenger seat does swivel, and then you come behind the passenger seat to your main entry point with a nice screen door, slides over. Moving to the rear, you're into the kitchen area with a solid surface countertop, recessed sink, 2-burner stove, and then the drawers are amazing. They're all hardwood. They have positive latches for travel, and it's even got one door that has a garbage can in it. Cabinets up above are all backlit to be able to find stuff when you're looking for it. I want to thank you again, all my viewers out there watching my videos. I've got millions of views. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, again, call me at 541-554-9581, and the guys put my email right there too. You can reach me either way. Have a good day.